Starting a poultry farm is an exciting journey, but before the first chick arrives, one thing matters more than anything else: preparation. Today, we were invited by a client who is planning to start her poultry farming journey. She reached out to us because she wanted guidance, not just on how to start, but how to start right. When we arrived, we were warmly received, and immediately you could see the passion and interest in building something meaningful.
Karibuni sana. Yes. Happy to have you around. Thank you. Karibu. Sawa, acha tuchukue. This is where I come from. Ni mbali. Mimi ni mtu wa reserve kabisa. Tumeshukuru kufika. Asante.
This is always the first sign of a successful farmer: the willingness to learn before investing.
To have a word of prayer. Almighty Father, I want to thank you this noon, Lord, for you are our God. You are faithful, Lord, to us. Mmepotea kupotea. Asante. Kupotea ndio kufika. Yes. Nashukuru. Karibuni sana.
One thing about farming communities is the sense of hospitality and openness. And for us, every visit is more than just business. It's about building relationships and guiding people towards making better decisions. And after settling in, the first step was to inspect the structure she had in mind for the poultry house. At first glance, the building seemed usable, but a closer look revealed some important challenges. The ventilation was not sufficient. The structure was older, with a muddy interior that would require significant improvement to meet poultry standards. And in poultry farming, poor ventilation can quickly lead to serious problems: heat buildup, ammonia from droppings, and lack of airflow can also stress birds and affect their growth.
We need to reinforce, sindio?
Hapa bado lazima ifanyiwe
Karabati, sindio? Na mambo ya microorganisms
chini. Hiyo tutawaambia venye mtafanya juu. First of all, mtaweka hiyo dawa ya nini. That is kama you still want
we
to
put
use
yesterday.
Mlieka?
Yesterday, yes.
Hadi hiyo side ingine.
Yes.
Another thing, sasa ni disinfectant. Takwambia jina, tutaziandika chini.
Okay.
Disinfectant inafaa ipigwe. Kitu mbaya hapa kwa hii nyumba ni ventilation. Ukiweka kuku hapa zitakufa.
True.
Juu hata wewe unasikia upumuzi. Sasa kuku mwenye inaishi hapa itakufa. Itakuwa suffocated.
True.
So kwa hii nyumba kitu tunaweza sema, kama ni dirisha inawekwa hii side na hii side. Nyumba ya kuku lazima ikuwe na mali hewa inaingia nayo na mali inatoka nayo. East west. Inafaa face east to west. Pia jua, hiyo effect ya jua ni important kwa nyumba ya kuku. So kama inaingia hivi na inatoka huku ni vizuri. Na inafaa ikuwe kubwa ambapo hii yote inafaa ibomolewe. So uliona yetu venye ni kubwa.
Kabisa.
Nyumba ya kuku iko na ventilation kubwa kabisa. Sasa kitu utafanya ni hizo nini zitahang. Sijui kama uliona polythene za black.
Niliona.
Hizo polythene zinashushwa jioni unaweka. Ndio mvua ikinyesha na hizo upepo inakinga. Asubuhi kabisa wanafungua wanaweka juu.
During our discussion, she shared that this house belonged to her late grandmother, and in many situations like this, there is an emotional connection to existing structures. To anyone watching, it is important to understand this. Not every structure, even if meaningful, is suitable for poultry farming. Sometimes the best decision is not to force a system into a space that cannot support it, but to preserve the structure for its value and build a new one that is designed specifically for poultry. After assessing the structure, we advised considering a new location for the poultry house. A good poultry structure should allow proper airflow, enough space, and ease of management. Positioning the house correctly can make a huge difference in bird health and overall farm performance. After the inspection, we sat down for a detailed training session. This is where the real value begins, because poultry farming is not just about structures, it is about knowledge. During the session, we covered key areas including biosecurity, that is how to protect birds from diseases, vaccination, just to ensure birds stay healthy, feeding programs, that is basically maintaining proper growth, record keeping, that is tracking progress and profitability, and lastly, marketing. And marketing, that's just how to sell birds at the right time and price. While we may not show every detail of the discussion, these are the conversations that help beginners avoid costly mistakes. If you're planning to start poultry farming, take time to learn first. Visit farms, ask questions, get proper guidance, because the difference between success and failure in poultry farming is often knowledge. Starting without preparation can lead to losses, but starting with the right information creates a strong foundation.
Kama unataka kwenda pure kienyeji unajua hata saa hii anazifungulia tu during the day. Tunaona nyinyi mko na bora tu gate imefungwa na hiyo gate imefungwa. Mna zi free range.
But now there is no mixing kidogo. There is no mixing.
Ni same age because kubwa ukimix na ndogo hiyo ndo kitu watu wengi wanafanya.
No, I'm saying in terms of the breeds. Pure and
you find mix like
ni rahisi iambukize hii. Ni rahisi ambukize improve.
Oh, right, okay.
That's why unaona watu wengi wanapenda pure ndio wagonjeke, wamezoea hiyo life ngumu. Lakini wakipata ugonjwa ni rahisi. Kwanza kuna yeye inaitwa Newcastle. Ni kama corona. Ni rahisi wale improve wapate.
Okay.
Naye kama utasema wacha ni free range piwa zangu niziweke hapa na improve zangu niziweke kwa nyumba zibaki hapa, bado ni pesa.
Lakini
nyumba iko sawa. Unaona hiyo pepo tunasikia hivi inafaa ikuwe kwa nyumba yako. Tunaona ulikuja kwetu na ungejua tuko na kuku. Hakuna harufu yenye inanuka. Unaona na wako wengi pale kwa nyumba. Hiyo ndio biosecurity yenye tumezingatia pale. Hiyo safi. Sasa hata wewe mwenyewe ukiingia sasa ufungulie mlango uingie. Hakuna harufu. Uko hapo ndani. So hivyo ndio inafaa ikuwe. Hiyo upepo inatupiga hapa, ndio inafaa iwapige nyinyi pia mkiwa kwa nyumba. Na hiyo inaletwa na dirisha venye ni kubwa na hiyo tani yenye mnafanya. So ikifika 3 weeks, huyu anawaambia si lazima 3 weeks, inaweza kuwa wet hata na 2 weeks. Tutoeni hii soda, tulete hii. Any question after that?
swali na nini? Niko na swali.
Uko na swali? Na Mama Joy?
After a long session of learning and discussion, we took a moment to slow down, sat together and shared a simple drink. These moments may seem small, but they are actually very important because farming is not just about buildings, birds, or business plans. It is about people. Every successful farm is built on relationships, trust between the farmer, the workers, and even the mentors who guide them along the way. During moments like these, you can really see the difference between someone who is just interested in farming and someone who is ready to learn and grow. Taking time to ask questions, to listen, and to understand the process, that is what builds a strong foundation. And to anyone watching who is planning to start poultry farming, don't rush the process. Take time to learn, take time to ask questions, take time to understand what you are getting into. Because the truth is, the success of your farm will not only depend on how much money you invest, but on how much knowledge you gain before you start. Even something as simple as sitting down after a training session, reflecting and asking the right questions can make a big difference in how your farming journey turns out. For us, these visits are not just about giving advice. They are about helping people build something sustainable, something that can grow over time. And moments like this remind us why we do what we do. And if you're planning to start poultry farming and feel unsure about where to begin, sometimes all it takes is the right guidance at the right time. That is why we offer farm visits and training sessions like this to help you avoid costly mistakes and, start your journey on the right path. At Chola Farm, we believe in helping farmers start right and grow sustainably. If you're planning to start poultry farming and would like guidance, training, or a farm consultation visit like this, you can reach us out directly as we will guide you based on your specific needs. Because building a successful farm is not just about starting, it is about starting right.
Nyinyi pia.
Asante sana.
Asante.